Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these thoughts, and if you like them, please like and share the video. Now, let's get started. So often in life, things that you regard as an impediment turn out to be great good fortune. Leaders never use the word failure. They look upon setbacks as learning experiences. It doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Wanting to be someone else is a waste of the person you are. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If you are offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat. Just get on. Find out what you like doing best and get someone to pay you for doing it. Feeling confident or pretending that you feel confident is necessary to reach for opportunities. It is a glitch, but opportunities are rarely offered, they are seized. Getting fired is nature's way of telling you that you had the wrong job in the first place. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you have not found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. If opportunity does not knock, build a door. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. Thank you.